I'm David Toman, author of NootropicsExpert.com, and in this video, I'll cover how to determine a nootropic supplement company's reputation and how to decide if you should buy your supplements from them. How to select the best quality nootropic supplements for the lowest price is a question that comes up a lot here on Nootropics Expert. In this video, I'll outline my criteria and the way other experienced neurohackers decide which company to trust. Choosing a reputable supplement manufacturer is not the same thing as knowing which supplement to buy. Deciding which nootropic supplement is best for you and your condition is covered in depth throughout this Nootropics Expert channel. So please use the search function up above and search for issues like anxiety and Alzheimer's and depression, traumatic brain injury, PTSD, ADHD, aging, memory, and so forth. If you are new to nootropics, one of the simplest ways to get started is selecting a great quality pre-made nootropic stack from a trusted manufacturer. And you'll find in-depth reviews on Nootropics Expert for pre-made stacks that I've tested and use every day. And you might want to consider them as well. My favorite is MindLab Pro and the Performance Lab line of supplements. Now, once you find a reputable company, it makes it simple if you want to try another supplement in their line. So I use the same selection criteria for choosing nootropics or dietary supplements not made by MindLab Pro or Performance Lab. An evaluation method that can work for any supplement manufacturer anywhere in the world. So this video is about evaluating company reputation, reliability, and trustworthiness. Let's get started. One of the first things to consider is how long the company has been in business. The UK-based company MindLab Pro has been making quality supplements for several years. Now Foods was founded by Elwood Richard in 1962 in Elmhurst, Illinois. Swanson Vitamins began in Fargo, North Dakota in 1969 by Leyland Swanson. Now this is critical because the dietary supplement market is growing like crazy, and anyone with $5,000 can start a supplement company and start turning out bottles of product. Now once you find a nootropic that you'd like to try, find the company website and click on their About Us or their About tab. The page should show who founded the company, when it was started, where the supplement is made, testing procedures, and more. A manufacturer who has been making supplements for at least several years is a sign that they know what they're doing. But it's no guarantee. For example, Centrum multivitamins are manufactured by the giant pharmaceutical company Pfizer, who started business in 1849. But their multivitamins are purely synthetic chemicals that are not as helpful to your body as natural or nature identical ingredients. So company history is just the first step. The next thing that I look for is what other people think of the company. And today it's easier than at any other time in history to quickly find out. A quick Google search will reveal either good things or lawsuits by the FDA or customers for bad product, contaminated supplements, or adulteration with illegal ingredients. Forums often show up on the first page of a Google search as well, with threads loaded with negative comments if the company is to be avoided. Now, if you're using reviews to judge a company or product, find a website other than your manufacturer's site for trustworthiness. If it's Amazon reviews, look for the verified purchase beside a reviewer's name. Because sometimes unscrupulous companies will offer free product in return for a 5-star review. And bloggers will often review supplements in return for an affiliate commission, which is fine. But check out the comment section below the blog post to find out what readers are saying about that supplement or company, and not just what the blogger says. Getting what you pay for is turning out to be a bigger challenge than it should, because even big-name brands like drugstore chains, large retailers, supermarket chains, and others are selling private label brands of supplements. A drugstore is in the business of selling prescription drugs and other goods. And quality supplements are not exactly a priority, as proven by the New York Attorney General in 2015, who ordered GNC, Target, Walgreens, and Walmart to stop selling some of their dietary supplements. See my video called 7 Tips for Choosing the Highest Quality Nootropic Supplements for more on avoiding low quality or fraudulent supplements. I'll provide a link below this video. A reputable company will clearly show on their website what types of testing they have in place to ensure that you're getting exactly what you're paying for. Now, once you've located the company website, go to their Contact Us page. Ensure the company has a physical address and not some Delaware or Las Vegas post office box address, a P.O. box address. The same page should have a customer service number, an email address, and possibly even a live chat button. So you know that the company is easy to contact and you can talk to, email, or chat with a real live person if you have any questions. What type of guarantee does the company offer? If you are genuinely not satisfied with their supplement for some reason, do they offer a money-back guarantee or a replacement guarantee? Supplementing with nootropics can get expensive very quickly, especially as you gain more experience and begin adding more and more ingredients to your stack. Now, pre-formulated nootropic stacks can help reduce your monthly cost. Economies of scale allow supplement companies who buy raw ingredients in bulk to price a combined supplement for less cost. Now, I know that MindLab Pro and Performance Lab line of supplements uses top quality ingredients and sells them at the lowest price that they can. Now Foods has a company policy of offering their products for 25 to 30% less than their competitors and still provide top quality supplements. Swanson Vitamins has a similar policy, and they can do it because they buy huge quantities of these ingredients and put them into capsules. But if you are buying individual supplements or even some pre-formulated nootropic stacks and find a price that is considerably lower than what the original company is selling their product for, or what other vendors are pricing the same product for, you can be sure that that supplement is almost certainly counterfeit. Or someone is using a well-known supplement company label on inferior product, or something else entirely is in that bottle of supplements. You get what you pay for. Investing in nootropic supplements for brain health and optimization is one of the best investments you can make. A little common sense, reading the reviews of other experienced neurohackers, and doing some research will help you keep your monthly cost of nootropic supplements down and ensure you are getting what you pay for. So that's my report for how to determine a nootropic supplement company reputation. If you want to read the full transcript for this video, you can find a link to it below this video. It's the link called How to Determine a Nootropics Company Reputation, and that'll take you through to nootropicsexpert.com. And while you're there, you will also find dozens of articles on all the most well-known popular nootropics on Nootropics Expert. Now, if you have any questions or you want to share your experience on how to figure out which supplement company to buy from and to trust, please use the comment section below this video or at the bottom of my article called How to Determine a Nootropic Company Reputation article on nootropicsexpert.com. I do my best to respond to comments and questions as quickly as I can. And if you haven't already, download your free copy of Secrets of the Optimized Brain. It's nearly 100 pages and contains details in 92 of the most popular nootropics used today. And consider getting a copy of my book, Head First, The Complete Guide to Healing and Optimizing Your Brain with Nootropic Supplements. Head First is nearly 600 pages and the best guide on the planet for fixing and optimizing your brain. Now, if you could use some personal help with choosing the right nootropics or figuring out how to deal with your own brain health issues, consider booking a personal consultation with me. You'll find a link to my calendar down below this video. And if you want to see more videos on all the best nootropics used today, subscribe to this channel before you leave. I'll be putting up new videos on nootropics and optimizing your brain every week. I'm David Toman, author of Nootropics Expert.